We'll guide you through how to cut music in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut, and so you're wanting to go and cut music. We're going to guide you through how to do this and make other adjustments as well. Make sure this full guide is guiding you through this step by step. Let's go and add in some music. So you make sure you don't have anything selected. If you do, press the back button, and then you can go and press audio, then press sounds. We can now go and find the song. I'll go press the folder icon at the top. I'll select device and I'll go and add this one here. You could always go and select more though. So you've now gone and added it in. You can go and adjust where it is in the timeline by tapping it. Then you can go and tap and hold it, and you can go and drag it to where you want it to go and start. I want it to have it right from the start, so I'm going to go and adjust it back. Now what you can do is you're going to have these handles at the start and the end, and you can tap and hold these. So you can tap and hold it and start adjusting where it goes and starts playing from, what part of it, and then you can go and drag that back to the start again if you want to go and start from a different point in the track. Now you may want to go and cut a part out or just go and cut it. So to do that, make sure you got it selected, choose where you want to go and make the cut and go and press splits. You can go and see it then splits. You can choose then if you want to go and say, I could delete this first part by selecting and pressing delete. If you want to go and cut a part out of it, you can then find where you want to go and make another, press splits, and you now got this part in the middle and you can select it and press delete. As you can see, there's now a gap there. You can leave it as a gap or tap and hold it, and I could go and drag them together like so. And that's it. You go and get the idea.